Woohoo! Nice and crispy. I love it. I am beyond thrilled to be sharing a family recipe with you guys today this holiday season. I am making my mother's homemade latkes, something that we enjoy for Hanukkah, served with applesauce, or you may have had it with sour cream. They're absolutely delicious, and my mother, I might be biased, but I think makes the best one around. But I want to show you. This was a piece of construction paper, handwritten, that my mother wrote on almost 30 years ago, if not more at this point. This is my first time making them without her. As you can imagine, that is sad, but still exciting because I can't wait to share the recipe with you guys. So the first thing I have is a big bowl of water and a ton of kosher salt. So I am gonna make really salty water, and we are going to peel the potatoes, quarter them, and throw them in this water so they don't turn brown right before we shred them. This is the little peeler I've been using a ton lately. I feel like I move so much quicker with it. So depends on what Cuisinart or food processor that you're using. I like to quarter them so that I know they fit in. So we have peeled, quartered potatoes, and they have not turned brown because they're sitting in salt water. Okay, so this is our mixture that our shredded potatoes is going to be mixed with. So my mom does 4 eggs, pepper, salt, 2 tablespoons of flour, and grated onion. So this is where you can also kind of have some flexibility. I did 2 tablespoons today, and then we mix this up. So I'm gonna set this aside, and this is what we're gonna combine the shredded potato with. Our food processor is on, and we will go through and start to shred them. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. Perfectly shredded, so much easier in the food processor. And then look at this. See all that liquid? We're gonna have to get that out. We are going to squeeze the living daylights out of this shredded potato so all that liquid and moisture comes out. And then we're gonna add this potato to our egg, onion, flour, and seasoning mixture. But look, I grab a handful, I'm right next to the sink, I squeeze it out. You can see, watch over the paper towel, see all that moisture coming out? If you want these latkes crisp, you want as much of this moisture to come out as possible. And then right into here, and we'll mix this up. Who am I kidding? I'm gonna get dirty. I'm going in with my hands. Okay, this is mixed together beautifully. Let's get started. We have hot oil here, and we have our latke mixture here. Form these little patties. Okay, that'll be our first baby. Beautiful. And guys, similar to a pancake, when it's on, do not move it around. It will only get flipped twice. You want to cook the latkes until they start to brown around the sides. My mom always says the first batch, similar to pancakes, needs more time. So I'm gonna give it a couple minutes. I'm gonna keep watching the sides. Oh, the onion smells so good. Let's just test one and see how it goes. Let's see. Woohoo! Nice and crispy. I love it. And that was the last one I put on. So here they are. I have 11, almost a dozen latkes. It is the first time I made my mom's recipe without her. I've helped her throughout my entire life, like I showed you at the beginning. This recipe was handwritten by my mom. I have to ask her, I think it was before I was even born, about 30 years ago, and I've been eating them my whole life, and I'm honored to share it with you guys. Now let's eat them. Dipped in applesauce, nice and crispy. Guys, and if any of you use this recipe this holiday season, please share it. I would love to see how they come out in your home.